This is Brother Barnes, and I have a friend who is wanting to do some brand new educational and tutorial videos, and he has video content concerns. So these are some of my recommendations that I have to him and to you. You are fun to talk to. Talk like you're talking to a real person. Listen to your video several times. Does it really say what you want to say in the way that you wanted to say it? And if it doesn't, just redo the video. I really like videos that are about 3 minutes or less. That way, if they don't get the job done, you can redo them without much misery. I was in an English class recently, and our teacher had us script the videos. I think this is great, especially for a long video. But I'm going to be honest, I like spontaneity, mate. I want my flavor to be up in the middle of it. And when I'm reading from a script, I feel like something's missing. That's kind of lame, I know. If you are really concerned and you have red flags going off, send your video to a screener. Get them to listen to it, or several screeners. The other thing that's kind of difficult to accept is that if you're like me and you don't have a lot of subscribers, it's not like 1,000 people are going to watch the video too quickly and get you wrong anyway. So that has been kind of a difficult thing for me to accept about myself, is that I am a low budget dude. And that's okay. I like what I do. But I do have screeners to help me from time to time. I think this is a great topic. One day at a time. Another interesting side topic is, how do I know what to do next? Well, like with this video, my friend has asked repeated questions, and I thought, I need to spell this out. There are other people that think about this very topic. Let's think about it together. Tell me what you think in the comments below the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share on YouTube. That is what makes a lovely community.